buoys. They keep it floating.
The roots are absorbing the nutrition from the water. The leaves stay above the water, like you can see there.
Yeah. And then these bulbs are like a life jacket to make sure it's
Yeah, just like a sponge. See, look, this is a hyacinth. You heard that?
Oh.
See, it's like a sponge.
So make it float, na?
Yeah, it helps it to float.
Can I take one?
Yeah, take. If you put one in a water body at home, then it'll start spreading and it will cover all the water. Here, try squeezing it in the camera.
So I guess. This one I will grow at home.
Right.